In this video, I am going to reveal yet another multi-billion-dollar niche that is guaranteed to make you money. In fact, I'm going to show you how channels of all sizes are capitalizing on this niche. Now, this niche is literally sitting right in front of your face. You just don't see it. And the best part about this is that you can get started today and you can do it faceless. In addition, at the end of this video, I'm going to show you all of the different revenue streams that you could implement to take advantage of this multi-billion-dollar industry. Now, this video will consist of 4 parts. Part number 1 is an overview of the niche. Part number 2 are examples of YouTube channels of all sizes taking advantage of this opportunity. Part number 3 is a step-by-step guide on how you can get started. And if you stay until the end of the video, I'll reveal step number 4 on all the different ways that you can monetize with this niche. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt, and I help new YouTubers monetize their YouTube channel from day one without having to worry about the YouTube Partner Program or the ad revenue. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. So let's go ahead and get into part number 1, which is an overview of this niche. Now, before we get started, I got a quick question for you. What is the number 1 stressor for parents and teens that happens about twice a year? If you answered anything other than back to school shopping, you'd be 100% wrong. Yes, every year, families all across America are scrambling to find the best deals on backpacks, shoes, pencils, pens, anything and everything regarding back to school. In addition, some college kids are first-time generation college students, and they simply don't know what they need to take with them to college. For example, I was the oldest and the first one to go to college. In high school, we used dial-up internet in order to download music legally. When I got to college, I thought that I could just plug in my same phone jack right into the wall and be able to continue to get on the internet and download music. For some reason, the phone jack that I had wouldn't fit. It wasn't big enough. And finally, my RA had to come and tell me that it was a different type of internet. These are all things that first-time college students don't realize and don't know, and you could be there to help them out. So the niche that we are getting into is called back-to-school shopping. Now, this can work if someone is just getting started with kindergarten, or as I mentioned, getting started going to college as an incoming freshman. Let's go ahead and get into part number 2, which are examples of YouTube channels that are already doing it. Now, the great thing about this is that there are channels of all sizes. Yes, you're going to see channels that have millions of subscribers, but don't be discouraged because there's a few on here that have less than 5,000 subscribers, and they're getting traffic and turning that traffic into income. So if we take a look at my screen here, you can see here I've got back to school shopping 6th grade, and this top result, this person has 4.39 million subscribers. That video right here, back to school supplies shopping with 9 kids, 2.1 million views. This one right here, 189,000 views, only 8,000 subscribers. Walmart versus Target back to school edition. If we keep scrolling, you can see 501,000 subscribers, 2.2 million subscribers, 1 million, and it keeps going. There's lots of people that are interested in going back to school and finding the supplies. Look at this one, back to school shopping for my 6th grader, shopping haul. This person only has 1,000 subscribers, but their video uploaded 5 months ago has 1.4 thousand views. And if we look at this, you can see it's happening yet again over here. We can just scroll through and we can see that channels of all sizes are getting views and traction simply creating content about back to school. This one, for example, only 3,000 subscribers, but a YouTube short has 14,000 views. School supply haul, homeschool edition. If we keep scrolling, this one only has 31,000 subscribers, but 123,000 views. Hopefully you're able to see that there is opportunity, but I can keep going. If we take a look, here's another one. This one, 1,000 subscribers, 61 views, 1,000 subscribers, 182 views. And we'll talk about this one more specifically in a little bit later because this one is actually really, really important and I want you to see what's going on behind the scenes. So now that you've seen examples of channels of all sizes getting success, finding traction, and making money, let's go ahead and talk about how you can get into this niche step by step. The first thing that I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you enter in a prompt into ChatGPT. And here's the prompt that I entered in. I'm going to start making YouTube videos about back to school shopping. Please list keywords related to this niche. Now, this is really important. Please find words that customers would be using and typing into YouTube and Google. Do not use industry terms. What we can do here is we can then take these keywords and we can paste them right into YouTube. So we're gonna go to YouTube search bar and we're gonna paste this in and look at everything that pops up. We can simply go through each one of these and make videos. These are ideas for videos. So for example, back to school shopping 2024, if we take a look, you can see that people essentially are creating this type of content. Look at this. 26,000 views, 14,000 subscribers, back to school supplies shopping. And what's really cool about this is that you could even do this for individual stores. So maybe you do one for Best Buy, one for Target, one for Walmart. We're going to talk about monetization in just a moment, but essentially you can go to ChatGPT, copy any one of these keywords, back to school haul for high school, copy this, go back over to YouTube and look at all of these different variations. Back to school haul, high school boy. If we click on this, you're gonna see that there is, look at this one, 37,000 views, 3,000 subscribers. So if that doesn't make you excited, if that doesn't show you that there's tons of opportunity, I don't know what will. You have your list of keywords here. You're simply going to enter them into YouTube and kind of figure out exactly which ones to go after first. And then you're just going to do a little bit of the legwork. You are going to go to these different websites, you're going to go to these different places, and you're going to find the best back to school deals. In fact, one of the keywords that you could even use is best back to school shoes. Look at this. Best back to school shoes, best back to school outfits, backpacks, laptops. When people are typing in the word best, they want to buy. Okay. So if you're looking for a direct place to go here, best back to school shoes 2024, and you will see for yourself 11,000 views, 10,000 subscribers. You can see that channels of all sizes are taking advantage of this opportunity. And so there's no reason why you can't do it either. So go back up here, best back to school, and we're going to just delete all of this and then just go straight down the line. Best back to school laptops. I wonder, would people buy laptops if they can figure out which one's the best for them? If the answer isn't no, I don't know what the answer would be. But again, you can see that this is another opportunity. So you get a list of keywords, you figure out exactly the questions that your target audience are asking, and you create videos to answer that question. Now, you might be able to use AI or ChatGPT to help you formulate an answer, but it's always best if you go do your own research so that you can talk confidently into the camera. Now, you don't necessarily have to show your face with this, but if you do, you'll probably build a connection a little bit easier, a little bit faster. Now, let me show you one really cool thing that nobody will show you and nobody's talking about. I mentioned this a little bit earlier. I was the first one to go to college, and so there wasn't a lot of things that we knew as a family. Companies like Target will actually have an entire section pop up related to college decor. So you can see here, I typed in Target dorm decor. We're gonna click on this, and it has an entire section. What we can do here is we can find different products related to this niche and create unique videos about these actual products. For example, let's look at this shelf floor lamp. We're going to click on it. We're going to copy the entire name of the product, and we are going to paste it right into YouTube. That's what I did with this result, and how you see that there are less views. But less views aren't necessarily a bad thing, because these people know exactly what product they want. They just want to make sure it's the right one for them. Now, if we look at this, you can see that people are creating videos about this actual floor lamp. And so you could do a review video or unboxing, first impression, illustrating if this product is good or bad. So when you are making product focused videos, you want to do unboxing, first impression, review, things like that, and people will click on your links, which we'll talk about in just a moment, and purchase the product, which will put money into your pocket. But what's really cool is that you can go back here and you can do this for all sorts of products. Okay, if we look at this lamp here, we can click on this lamp, and I'm going to copy everything once again and paste it right into YouTube, just like that. And people are actually searching about this lamp. Okay, these are highly targeted views. These are good views. You know exactly what the target audience wants, and you can supply that for them. We have talked about the niche as a whole, which is a multi-billion-dollar niche. We have talked about channels of all sizes that are doing this. I've shown you step by step how to get started with the keywords and using AI. Let's talk about the different ways that you can monetize, because I think there are a few. One obvious and simple way is simply with affiliate marketing. And with affiliate marketing, you are recommending other people's products and services. Now, you can partner with a company like Target, Walmart, Amazon, Best Buy, and promote their products and services. The way that affiliate marketing works is you apply to join an affiliate program, let's say Best Buy. Best Buy will review your application and they'll accept you or deny you. If they accept you, they'll give you a unique URL called an affiliate link, and you'll take that affiliate link and you'll put it in the description of all of your videos. And what's really cool is if someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a portion of the overall sale, or something called a commission. And that's how affiliate marketing works, and that's why it's so powerful. You don't have to worry about returns, shipping, customer service. You just make videos to help your customer or target audience solve a problem, and the company will reward you for it. There are over 12,000 affiliate programs out there. I'd recommend that you partner with Amazon, Best Buy, Walmart, Target, the big ones, because that's where most people are going to go to when they're buying their school supplies. In addition to affiliate marketing, I think that there are a couple of opportunities you could take advantage of as well. One is creating and selling tiny digital products. Now, a digital product is anything that is created on your computer and delivered or sold over the internet. The great thing with a tiny digital product is that you don't have to physically ship anything. The customer gets the product or service instantly, and you can sell an infinite number of copies of it. It's not like a physical product where you have to have a certain number on hand. It's not like this book here where it has to be printed. You simply would just send them the PDF or the course or whatever it might be, and you can make money. Now, like I said, I think there are a few options when it comes to digital products. One simple one is a back to school budget tracker. A lot of people are trying to find their supplies under a certain amount. They're constrained by their budget. And so you could sell a back to school budget tracker for $7 or $17. You help people keep track of their budget and you make money. Another thing that you could do is put together a back to school planner where you help people plan the process of returning back to school. One of the things that you can include inside of the planner is like a checklist of things that they need. I know that when back to school is around the corner, every single day my wife and I are looking at our supplies, making sure that we have everything that they need so that they're ready and prepared. Another great opportunity for back to school would be homework tracker templates. If you are helping a college kid, I think you could also help them study, provide notes, prepare for college, things of that nature. I think you could also do a membership where you are helping different parents both cope with their kids going away for school and helping them plan and prepare to go back to school. The great thing with a membership is that people will pay you every single month as long as they continue to get value. So in order to make sure that they're getting value, you can do things like offer live workshops, you can offer live Q&As, and you can provide additional planners and support and answer any questions that they have as they pop up. The great thing about these digital products that I mentioned is that you can do all of these for free. Whether you use a Google Sheet or Microsoft Excel, you can use Canva or even a free site like Facebook to host your groups. Now that you know about the multi-billion-dollar niche that's hidden in plain sight, watch this video next if you want to learn how to monetize your YouTube channel in just 2 days.